Hi, Heartcore. It's Coach Kat here again with Elisa. Special edition today. I'm going to be teaching Elisa today. It'll be a strength-focused class, so you can expect holds, some double time action, and some presses today. You are going to need two things. You'll need your high bars, and you'll also need to shorten your cables so that they fit your stature. All right, let's get it popping. Hi, Heartbreakers. We're going one white spring back of the machine for a giant reverse wheelbarrow. So we've got Elisa here. Her hips are going to drop down. Her knees are right at the carriage. Hands to the platform. She just took a nice big deep breath. She's going to slowly send the carriage back. Nice. And then she's going to take a nice big exhale, pull forward. Good. Take your time with this, right? It's your pace. And I'll let you know when you've got those 10 seconds left. Nice. Elisa's breathing slowly, sending it back. Good. And then she's exhaling, slowly coming forward. Nice breathing. As you're doing this, low abs, right? Really fire it up. So exhale, pull forward. Feel your midline, right? Get tighter and tighter as you go back. Take a moment, no rush, exhale, and then come right back forward. Shoulders are rolled back. You're firing up your lats, your core, booty is nice and tight. All right, Heartbreakers, we're getting close to that 10-second mark. Here we go in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. We've got your reverse catfish coming up. Elisa's going to take her hands to the high bars, her toes to the carriage. She's on those tiptoes. Her heels are up, hips, shoulders, and then she's going to start to send her legs out nice and slow. Good. So I could literally put my espresso right here on her back, right? You want that nice flat back. She's breathing into it. And she's not dumping all her weight into her shoulders, right? You want that evenness. She's going to lift up. If you want a little more core, you can even pull your shoulders back more. Yeah, do you feel that? Nice. I'm sure y'all feeling it too. Yeah, right there. And then right back out. Same thing, I'll let you know when those 10 seconds are up. So just focus, right? Connect with your body. This is about you right now. And then send those legs out slow. Good. As Elisa's sending it out, right, I imagine she feels it really tightly in those low abs, right? Yes. Yep. Heartbreakers, you feeling that too? Nice, right there. And then resist it out. Good. Keep going a little bit slower. Let's go slower. Yeah. If you want to also take it to the next level here, right, add some pauses in between your reps. Think about what you're really feeling in your body, in your breath. Here we go. We've got those 10, those 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, Heartbreakers, we're going giant spoon. Elisa's going to flip around. Her feet stay under the strap. Her hands are going to be right on the handlebars like they were in that catfish. There we go. All right. So she's in that L sit position, right? You can see her hips here, shoulders. Her goal right now is to send her hips back, right? A really good way to see where you should stop, try to align your hips with your wrists. So go ahead, check for that. Are your hips at your wrists, right? She's breathing into it. She's pushing away and then exhaling back. Nice. Same thing, right? Are you feeling this where you were feeling that rollout, that catfish, right? Everything's nice and tight. Shoulders are firing up. And if you need to modify, you can bend your knees just like she's doing here, right? Exhale, send it back. You still get really good benefits. Exhale, good, pull back. Are we feeling that in our core, our upper body, our breath? Nice, we're back to that position. I'll sit, nice. She's going back and then forward. Let's go slower. Okay, we ready, Heartbreakers? Slow it down. Yes. It's all about that nice, controlled, steady movement. Exhale, Lisa's going back and forward. Nice. Think about all the strength you're building here, right? In your core, your upper body, your mind. We got 10 seconds. Yes, Lisa. 9, right there. Are you relaxing your face? Are you relaxing your shoulders when it gets really challenging? We got 5. We've got 4, heartbreakers. Stick with it. We've got 3. Don't stop. We've got 2 and 1. Okay, next move, heartbreakers. We're changing our springs to 1 black. So go ahead, make your way down, change your springs. 1 black spring. We're taking it into a split lunge. So Elisa's stepping to the platform, grabbing her cables, hopping her right foot to the carriage. Back heel is nice and high, right? Like you're wearing a stiletto. Elisa's bending her knees and then coming down nice and slow. Good. Notice that 90-90, right? So if you have a mirror or anything you can look at yourself in, check for that 90-90. Are your legs at a 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle? All right, heartbreakers, we're going to slow it down. Come down nice and slow. You're going to push into your right heel, come up, squeeze that booty. Yeah, I saw that. And then come down nice and slow. Elisa's breathing, right? Really deeply in through her belly and then exhaling out through her mouth. Her rib gets nice and tight. Good. Notice how her arms are really firing up. So are you feeling this right in the bicep, right? As you come down, you're curling. Legs fire up, back fires up, back of the thighs fire up. This is how you get that nice booty. All right, heartbreakers. We're almost there. Nice and slow. 1. Good. 2. 3. You're also opening up the hips here, right? Really good for your knees, your back. We got 15 seconds. Nice, Lisa. And then come right back up. Here we go. We've got those last 10. Yes. These seconds count the most. You've got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, heartbreakers. We're taking this into a hold now. Bend your back knee. Find that nice loaded position. Squeeze your upper body. Nice. And then find that breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Nice, Lisa. I hear that breathing. All right, heartbreakers, you're focusing on that squeeze here. You're focusing on everything going on within your body and your muscles. Can you visualize it, right? If you had to light up parts of your body that were lit up, what color would it look like? You've got 5. We go presses in 4, presses in 3. Ready, Elisa? You ready, heartbreakers? In 2 and 1. Here we go. It's down and up. Make it explosive, right? Small but mighty. Push, press, push, press. Yes, there we go. You got 20 seconds. Push, press. Nice, Lisa. Really fire it up, right? It's like you're putting everything into it. We got 10 seconds. Yes. It's down and up. It's down and up. Ready? We got 9. We got 8. Can you go harder? You got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, heartbreakers, we're getting into our highest angle. So you see Elisa here. She's at the top of her stride, right? We're going to target the middle of her butt right here. And she's going to push the carriage out for her carriage kick. So her toes are literally pressing into the carriage, and then she's pulling the carriage back in, right? Keep in mind, your abs are working here, right? So every time you drive that heel in towards you, your abs are doing the same thing that you were doing in that wheelbarrow, right? In your catfish, same thing. Exhale, pull it in. It's all connected. Posterior chain firing up. If you're like, what the hell is that? Back of the body, right? Booty, hamstrings, back. It's all working nice. Do you feel that? All on your posterior? Yeah. Heartbreakers, do you? Check in, right? Booty, back, leg, core. All right, heartbreakers, we got 15 seconds. Nice. Keep exhaling. Arms are loaded still. Yes, nice, Elisa. And then you've got that nice, proud heart open, right? Just like you want to walk around in life. We got 5, and because you're a heartbreaker, 4. We're done in 3, 2, and 1. Heartbreakers.